Travel day, headed north to Jacksonville for a little bit. I made it to Jacksonville. I made it here earlier, but didn't feel like vlogging when I got here. I was tired. I actually got up this morning around 5:30 so that I could leave at 6 and head here to have lunch with Mom and Dad, but I didn't make it. Yes, they go to Ruby Tuesdays on Tuesday for their deal. If you're interested, they have $5 deals every Tuesday. Usually a pretty good deal. Today was the cheeseburger deal with fries or tots. $5, not bad. I like to go when it's unlimited salad bar day for $5. I love going when it's unlimited salad bar day. Yeah. Alright, so today for my vlog I have to do some car work. Yeah, over here. Something wrong with Dad's car. The windshield wipers don't operate properly, and we've got to diagnose that, which I think I know what the problem is because I had the same problem with mine. And I ordered the same parts that I ordered when I fixed this one. Hopefully it's the same issue. And then we've got to change the taillights out as well. So that's what we got going on today. Let's see. What's the problem? There we go. Oh yeah. This one works. This one doesn't. This looks very similar to the problem that I had before, so we're gonna give that a shot. This is the part that I'm going to replace. Whenever you're doing car repairs, make sure you have the parts before you take the car apart. That's my tip to you. This is not the part. I mean, it's one of the parts, but I figured it came together as an assembly unit, and it doesn't. I'm missing a key element here. Oh. I think the plan is now, since I have the car taken apart, to run to the auto parts store and see if they've got it. It's a fairly common part, but I don't know if they have it. We'll see. We got the part. O'Reilly's had it, and now I can go back and finish the job. There you go. Here, Mom, take this. Thanks. All right. How do you know when you put it in backwards? Watch this. It's not supposed to work like that. Let's take it back out. I know what the problem is. Okay. What happened is this got reversed, this side. So I need to pull it back. Like this. Okay, let's test it out. Fail number 2. I put it in the reverse way. Let's take it back apart. I lost a lot of sunlight doing this, but finally, I think it's working. They work! Yes! Success! My hands and everything is a little bit dirtier than the way I started, but at least those work again. That's it for today. I need to go get cleaned up. I'll see you again tomorrow. Alright. Rocket launch.
Yeah.
Took a quick break. Falcon 9 launch. Do you think we'll be able to see it? That's being launched in Cape Canaveral. Sometimes we could see the shuttle launches from here. I don't think these rockets we can actually see from here, but
I don't know how much cloud cover there is.
no, it looks like it's fine. So 20 seconds. So now, because of the delay, I should be able to see it out there. Because it's not absolutely live. I'm gonna go look.
Actually, you got 7 seconds.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if we can see it. Let's see if we can see it here. I doubt it. Oh, the cloud is covered. I don't think we're gonna be able to see it. It's already a minute in the air. There's no way we can see it here. Huh. No. No. All right, back to work.